Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you two easy ways to delete your draft emails in Gmail. So let's say you're in Gmail and you want to delete draft emails. I'm going to show you the typical way how that is done. And so if you have any email that you are writing, for example, I'm going to click on a new compose email, type, for example, something in the subject and something within the body. And let's say I no longer want to use this email. If you click on the X on the upper right hand side, it's going to save it as draft. And you basically would go now to drafts on the left hand side. Let's say you're in your email, you click on more, you go to drafts and you find the drafts and you click on the checkbox here and then you click on delete or discard, right? You will find it on the right hand side, or you can go ahead and click on the discard draft button right here, and that's going to delete it for you. Now, another way to do that is if you're composing an email and you want to delete it, if you look to the lower right hand side, there's a bin icon. It's going to delete it right away. And so I'm going to go ahead and make this a bit more longer so it's easier to see, so you know what it looks like. If I click in the bin, I discard it immediately. And so if I go to my draft, you will not see that that email is there. And if I go to draft, you realize that that email is not there. And that's it, guys. There are two easy ways that you can easily delete your draft emails in Gmail. Very easy and very simple.